Shiraz, what's the update from the students' protest in Lahore?
Well, Gul, right now I'm standing at Islamia College Civil Lines, where you can see behind me that a large number of students, particularly belong to Islami Jamiat Talba, they are present over here. Along with those students, we have also seen number of other protests in the different colleges, including the Punjab University, including the Abadat Road College, the FC College, where the students, they are still protesting. In this college, as the SSP office is just in front of this office, so we have seen that a very tightened security outside. The students, they are inside the college premises and they are just protesting over here. What they are demanding that the police immediately take action against those persons who involve in better charge on them and withdraw the cases. Yesterday we have seen that on the direction of Punjab CM, all the students who were arrested during the clashes between the police and students at Punjab University, at Punjab Assembly and at Civil Lines College, they have been released, but so far the cases are still there. However, the police authorities have said that they have got the footages from the different TV channels and they have also identified those culprits involved in those riots, and they have also planned to also arrest them. So these students, they are protesting over here, demanding to immediately take action against those officers who involved in baton charge, as well as immediately withdraw those cases. And their main demand is still that government should immediately take back their decision of privatization of 36 colleges and universities, because it's really impossible for them to afford their dues and fees after the privatization of these colleges. So I will also take one of the persons over here who also represent the Jamaat Islami to talk with them. After Vidraiga ji. So he is also representing Jamaat Islami. He is also involved in yesterday's clashes. So let's talk to him that what happened yesterday and what's their further strategy. Basically, क्यों पुलिस ने जो बैटन चार्ज किया?
सर बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बेसिकली रीज़न ये है कि हम पिछले 7 माह से ये पूरा कर रहे हैं बीओजी के खिलाफ। पंजाब हुकूमत, नवाज शरीफ, किसी ने इस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया कि इस बीओजी के मसले को सॉल्व करना है, यानी हुकूमत बिल्कुल खामोश।
मुझे ये बताओ कि इस बीओजी के आने से स्टूडेंट्स को क्या नुकसान है?
स्टूडेंट को ये नुकसान है, आप मेरी मिसाल ले लीजिए, मैंने 5000 के अंदर बीए कर चुका हूँ और मेरा आने वाला कज़न 180 का एस्टिमेट लगा के वो अब गाँव जाके वापस बैठ चुका है। ये बीओजी का सबसे बड़ा मसला ये है।
गवर्नमेंट तो कह रही है कि फीसों में इजाफा नहीं होगा बीओजी की वजह से, आप कह रहे हैं कि इतना डिफरेंस आ गया।
पता नहीं किस जगह पे गवर्नमेंट कह रही है, हमारे तो यहाँ पे फीसेस पे कर चुके हैं लोग।
एक बीओजी हो गया, दूसरा कल जो क्लैशेस हुए, आज आप जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, एक तो बीओजी हो गया, दूसरी आपकी क्या डिमांड है?
दूसरी यही डिमांड्स है कि इन्होंने जितने साजा पर तशद्दुद किया है, साजा की इज्जत को पमाल किया है और कुबा साजा अभी तक रेस्ट है, उनको रिहा किया जाए और अपनी गवर्नमेंट जो है वो होश के नाखुन ले। मासूम तलबा पे इतना तशद्दुद उनका बनता ही नहीं।
फर्दर स्ट्रेटेजी आप लोगों की क्या है अगर आपके डिमांड ना माने? कई जगहों पे, कई कॉलेजेस में आपके प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं, सिविल लाइंस में आप अंदर हैं, बाहर पुलिस की नफरी है, क्या आपका प्लान है?
हमारा कुछ प्लान नहीं है, पुरअमन एहतजाज हो रहा है, योम स्याह मनाया जा रहा है, हमारे साथियों को रिहाई दी जाए और हमारा यही एहतजाज है कि बीओजी को खत्म किया जाए। जब तक बीओजी खत्म नहीं होंगे हम अपनी जान बाज की सरदार की बाजी लगाने।
There are some demands from their side. However, the government is claiming that they have released all of their persons, but still they are in the police custody. They haven't released yet. They are demanding their immediate release and the discharging of those cases. Gul.
All right, Shiraz, thank you very much for that. It was very useful to hear from a student himself.